Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on MyHR. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in secure.myhr.asia and press enter. You will now be taken into the login portal for MyHR. Go ahead and enter your account name and then enter your username. You can then type in your account password underneath within the password box and then click on the login button. And now you will be logged into your MyHR account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you will find the reset password option underneath the login section. You can click on the button and you will be asked to enter your account name and your email address and your username, which you can submit in order to reset your password. And there you have it. That is how you can log into your account on MyHR. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.